Many small emerging biotechs are small teams, and they are looking for not just a vendor, they're looking for an extension of their team.
We're set up with our suites here to be able to accommodate both small scale and larger scale projects so that we can right size the production for a client. It allows us to be flexible to meet the demand and get the product produced in the most efficient, cost-effective way for our clients.
When we say one-stop shop, it's really quite literally under one roof.
We're able to take the product in from process development through to quality release. It's all done under one quality system, so you're not having to go to multiple CDMOs for each individual portion.
You cannot test quality into the product. You have to build it in intentionally.
The relationship that we establish, and we make it very clear on site, we're all trying to accomplish the same goal.
We like to help them figure out exactly what it takes to bring their brilliant science to the rare disease patients that need it.